We have a viewer on the page, Jyoti Keswani. Hello Jyoti, hi, thank you for commenting. Your question in fact is relevant because Professor Dityaranjan is actually answering the same question. She's asking, it's in the morning time, what are basically the class timings of the program? So Jyoti, just for you, just stay tuned. Professor Saab is actually discussing the same thing, that this program is residential in nature.
Absolutely.
Right, so please go ahead.
Yeah, so the rigor we are not trying to sort of, create any kind of fear factor, but there is, we are absolutely competitive in terms of rigor actually. Very, very competitive.
Okay.
So we make sure that, the classroom discussion is not rote learning. That means there is nothing but textbook, go to page number this and tell me what you know. It is a case that is given and you have to come prepared, and the instructor would start with the fundamental sort of lead questions actually.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
So, and there is a percentage of marks that is given for class participation.
Achha.
So the moment you raise your hand,
it's basically in fact a 360 degree.
It's a dialogue actually. It's a dialogue. Right. There is nothing called the lecture is there and and let me just listen as if everything is gospel true. No.
Right. Okay.
You have to participate. You have to present.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
And you have to really go outside the classroom to the dormitories. That's why we are talking about it's an absolute residential nature, because it's 24/7 actually in terms of learning.
Okay.
So compare, just commenting on the timing, the class timing starts at 9 o'clock. Okay. And it goes till 1:10.
Okay.
So there will be, so ideally we have 3 to 4 classes per day. 90 minutes each.
Correct.
Yeah, not more than 4 classes. In fact, 3 is what we're trying to optimize actually.
Right.
In the afternoon session, we give the participants enough time to prepare for the next day.
Okay.
Because our understanding of the course, or rather the program, is like this: for 75 minutes lecture and for in order to make some constructive class participation, you have to prepare at least 2 hours. That include group discussion, presentation.
Okay.
So you have 3 classes per day, every day basis. That means in the previous night and day you have to prepare at least 6 hours.
Right. Okay.
So the structure is, again, I'm not trying to sort of, make any kind of, statement that is going to frighten applicants sort of thing.
Actually, I was wondering the same.
No, that is quite fun. We are only trying to encourage participants to come to this place. If you have lost, or if something, if you always wanted to study but you could not study, this is the place. So, because the outcome of this process is very simple. The toppers of this program, at least the past 1 year program, the toppers have always gone to the best places.
Correct. That's right. Correct. Okay.
And that's quite glaring actually. The equation between class performance and his final employment, there is an absolute R square 99 kind of percentage of correlation established actually. And we are following the same thing.
Interesting, quite interesting, Professor. So in fact, for all the viewers and all the prospective aspirants, just make sure that the program is rigorous, the program is residential, but at the same time it's quite fun being on campus.
Absolutely.
Because when you are on campus in a residential program, it becomes quite fun, at the cost of repeating myself, it is, yes. You can actually come personally and then experience it for yourself. That's the idea.